Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and what I'm going to do today is show a little chainsaw work. We had some bad storms over the summer that brought down a few trees. This here is a black mulberry. It was probably our best one, which I hate to see it go. It was actually sweet, which is kind of unusual for mulberries around here. They usually taste kind of like grass. But this one was really good. The storm just blew it right over, pulled it right out of the ground here. So I got a little time today, so I'm finally going to cut this up, make some firewood out of it, and then figure out what else I want to put in this spot. So let me go grab the chainsaw here and get busy on this tree. I'm mixing up some fuel for the chainsaw here and also putting bar oil in it. Note on the instructions on these saws, it says that the fuel mixture should be 50-to-1 fuel to oil. So with these little 3.2 ounce bottles of 2-cycle oil, that makes 1¼ gallons of fuel mixed in with it to be the proper amount. And also note on your chainsaw, your bar and chain oil is basically the same thing as 30-weight motor oil. So you can use 30-weight motor oil in place of bar and chain oil and it won't cause any problems.